So, in last lecture, we have seen female reproductive system, male reproductive system. Today, we are going to study gametogenesis. This is very important process because in this process, the gametes required for fertilization are produced. So, when gametes are formed, when there is formation, of gametes, that is sperm and ova or ovum. From germinal epithelium of primordial cell, primordial germ cell is called as gametogenesis. For gametogenesis, mainly two hormones plays important role. GnRH, gonadotropin releasing hormone, and second FSH. So, by the effect of these two hormones, the process of gametogenesis takes place. And in this gametogenesis, when there are two major processes in this. First, spermatogenesis, and second one is oogenesis. Spermatogenesis, when sperms are formed, when there is formation of sperms from primordial germ cell, then that is called as spermatogenesis. When ovum is formed from the primordial mother cell or primordial germ cell, then that is called as oogenesis. First of all, we will study spermatogenesis. Production of or formation of sperm. And where it is produced? In testes. So, in spermatogenesis, this process takes place in 3 steps. Multiplication phase, second, growth phase, and third one is maturation phase. So, these are the 3 steps. Now, we will see one by one. But we have to draw a figure. With the help of figure, we can understand the process in detail. This is the primordial germ cell or primordial mother cell, primordial germ cell, which is diploid one, or it is also called as spermatogonia. Then mitosis takes place. What happens? mitosis takes place and two cells are formed. Two cells are formed. These are known as what? Spermatogonia. So again repeated mitotic division takes place. Repeated mitotic division takes place. And 4 in all, total 4 spermatogonia formed. This process is going on. This process continues. So these are called as what? Spermatogonia. So this step is first step, that is multiplication phase. Multiplication phase. In which division takes place? Mitotic division. Which division? Mitotic division takes place. Then after this, one of the spermatogonia grows in size due to the accumulation of food material. Due to the accumulation of food material, it grows in size, and this is known as what? Growth phase. This happens in second phase, that is growth phase. Why it happens? There is a saturation or a food material get accumulated. Food accumulation. Food accumulation is there. One of the cell, and this one of the cell is called as what? Primary spermatocyte. Primary spermatocyte. So this second step get completed. Now we will begin third step. In third step, what happens? This primary spermatocyte has a meiotic division. Which division takes place? Meiotic division takes place. And first, meiosis first. This is the meiosis first. Two cells are formed. This is 2N. And these are with 1N means only one set of chromosomes is formed. Because we know that in a meiotic division there is a reduction of chromosomes. There is a reduction, which is also called as reductional division. So these are called as what? Secondary spermatocyte. These are called as what? Secondary spermatocyte. Then from this again meiosis second takes place, and by meiosis second these 4 cells are formed, which are of N, only one set of chromosomes is formed. And these are known as what? Spermatids. These are known as what? Spermatids. Then these spermatids, it is a from this spermatid. What happens from this spermatid? Spermatozoa. These are spermatozoa or sperms are formed, and this process is known as when there is a formation of spermatozoa or sperm from spermatid. This is known as what? Spermiogenesis. This process is known as what? Spermiogenesis. When sperms are formed from spermatids. So this is known as what? Spermiogenesis. So this is the process of how sperms are formed from the primordial germ cell. From here in third step, this is known as what? Maturation phase. This is known as what? Maturation phase. Maturation phase in which meiotic division takes place. Which division? Meiotic division takes place. In such way, sperms are formed. We know that in a single ejaculation about 3 to 4 ml of semen, there are about 200 to 300 million sperms. So this process gets continuously. I have drawn here only from one. It does not happen like that. From this there is a accumulation of food. From this also sperms can form. From this also sperm can form, or it can divide again. That is called as spermatogonia. From it there is accumulation of food material. From it there is the meiotic division. So this process gets continuously, and we know that in each ejaculation there are millions of sperm ejaculated in the female genital tract. So this is because there is a wastage, but the chances of fertilization of ovum increases. So for this process, the many more number of sperms are formed. So this is the process of spermatogenesis. Then we will see the second stage, that is oogenesis. Oogenesis, when there is a formation of secondary oocyte from a primordial mother cell or from the primordial germ cell, then that process is known as what? Oogenesis, formation of secondary oocyte. From primordial mother cell or primordial germ cell. That is called as what? Oogenesis. So in oogenesis also there are 3 steps. First step is multiplication step. Second is growth phase. And third one is maturation phase. So like this, it is completed in 3 steps. Now I will explain it with the help of figure. So this is the first primordial mother cell, which is formed in Graafian. Suppose we will see this process in Graafian follicle. From this Graafian follicle, in Graafian follicles or in primary follicle or secondary follicle, this process begins. Even when this process in female begins, when that female child is in the foetus of mother, at that time this process begins. So this is primordial mother cell or primordial germinal cell or germ cell. So this is diploid. Mitotic division takes place mitotic division takes place, and first of all, two oogonia are formed. Then from this two oogonia, again there is repeated division. Four oogonia are formed. These are oogonia. So this is the first phase, multiplication phase. Multiplication phase, empty. We will write in short. And there is which division? Mitotic division. Repeated mitotic division. So this first phase is completed. Now second phase begins. From this oogonia, one of the cells becomes large due to the accumulation of fluid, and this is growth phase. This is growth phase in which one of the oogonia gets larger due to the accumulation of food accumulation. There is the accumulation of food and a primary oocyte is formed. This is primary oocyte. Then third step begins. Third step is what? Maturation phase. In third step, what happens? Meiotic division takes place. First of all, meiosis first happens. In meiosis first, what happens? Two unequal cells are formed. What happens? Two unequal cells are formed, and in these two unequal cells, this is first polar body. Then again there is meiosis. This is the meiosis. Meiosis first. In meiosis second, what happens? Again there is unequal division, and in this unequal division, second polar body is formed. This is second polar body. From this first polar body, again two cells are formed. These two cells are polar body. They are also called as what? Second polar bodies. And this structure which is formed is called as what? Secondary oocyte. This is secondary oocyte. Secondary oocyte, and here it is ovum. But if we take that formation of secondary oocyte, this up to this stage, this process is completed in ovary. But after the release of secondary oocyte, when it reaches in the fallopian tube, when sperm reaches to this secondary oocyte, then and then this secondary oocyte is converted into ovum, because up to this secondary oocyte, meiosis second is not completed. It is an incomplete meiosis second. And because up to the metaphase stage, metaphase second is arrested in secondary oocyte. When this metaphase second is completed, when the sperm reaches up to the secondary oocyte and tries to fertilize it, then and then it gets stimulated, and then from the secondary oocyte, ovum is formed. So in this way, ovum is formed, and this from this state, this is what? Maturation phase. And in maturation phase, which type of division is there? Meiotic division is there. Which division? Meiotic division is there, and there is single set of chromosome present. Only it can be denoted by single N. It can be denoted by single N. So in this way, the meiotic there is a formation of ovum. So we have completed here the formation of spermatogenesis and formation of oogenesis. Next topic we will see tomorrow.